I want to show you another small program that is bundled with StoryMaker, and it's designed to help students learn the days of the week, the sequences of the days of the week, and months of the year as well. So to do it, you go into the student's name. So I'll do it for Helen, and then work with date. So click on that one. We're going to set the date options. So click on that button, and here we go. So what I want is when the student's name Helen is clicked on, I want it to automatically ask for the days of the week. It's going to ask in terms of ask for today. You could have it ask for yesterday, ask for tomorrow. Because actually the concept of today and yesterday and tomorrow can be quite difficult for students to grasp. You could also get it to ask for the month of the year. So I'll click on that too. You want the day picture to show on when the mouse rolls over it. Yes, I do. And we want the day spoken on mouse roll over as well. Now you can add pictures for any of the days of the week. And obviously you want to add pictures out of that student's life that you have selected. So let's go with, I'm just going to put in a few pictures to show you how to do it. So I clicked on Tuesday. I'm going to get them out of the gallery. In this case, let's say swimming. So let's say that Helen goes swimming on Tuesdays. Now I'm going to click on Wednesday. I'll get another picture. And let's say I'll go looking for bowling. Okay, let's say Helen goes bowling. So I hit the tick button having selected the picture. And there we go. We've got bowling for Wednesday. And then for Thursday, go into the gallery again. And I'm going to put in horse. Because let's say she goes horse riding. Select the picture. Hit the tick button. And then we've got 3 pictures. That's all we'll do. But obviously you want to get pictures that are relevant for any student. And then let's say I'm going to put a picture on January. Let's go in here and let's put in a lake picture. Let's say that in January we go on holiday. So we'll put a holiday picture in there. So having put it in as much as you want, then you hit the tick button. And now it's asking for, so let's try this, ask for today. Here we go.
What day is today?
Now, as long as the date is correct on your computer, this is going to work. Okay, so if you come up with an incorrect day of the week, it just means that the date on your computer is not right and it needs to be changed. Today is actually Wednesday.
Yes. Today is Wednesday.
If it was to ask for yesterday.
What day was yesterday?
Now if they get the day wrong.
Monday.
Nothing
Sunday.
happens.
Yes.
Until they get it
right.
right.
Tuesday.
Then we can have ask for tomorrow.
What day will tomorrow be? Thursday. Yes. Tomorrow will be Thursday.
And then we can ask for the month.
What month is it? July, February, January. Yes, this month is January.
So that's how it uses it there. We'll just go out of the program and go out of that one. Now we're going to actually have to exit StoryMaker and come back in order for you to see how it comes up automatically the next time. So here we go. I won't back up at the moment. So I'm just going to go into StoryMaker again. If I go into the user Helen,
what day is today?
It automatically clicks into the program.
Monday, Wednesday,
and
Wednesday.
Away
yes.
they go.
Today is Wednesday. What day was yesterday? Yes, yesterday was Tuesday. What day will tomorrow be? Thursday. Yes, tomorrow will be Thursday. What month is it?
Okay.
July. Yes, this month is January.
And then the student can go and work on their stories. So it's an ideal way to teach days of the week and months of the year.